Okay guys, so one thing you will see in Benidorm quite often is down in this little corner cove bit of the Fancy Beach, a police van. As you can see, just pop down there and zooming in a bit if it will, there. Got like a little sort of launch pad, helipad type thing there. Now what they're doing is they are testing a drone which I can't quite see it actually, because of course I've completely missed when it's went out, but it is somewhere up here, and I think what it is basically used for is just crowd control really. It's just a very basic sort of test. It'll just fly up and down the coast a bit, pretty much just a bit of a training exercise really, nothing to be worried about. There's Mike. I've completely lost the thing. Yeah, they probably know where it is, but I've lost it. But I can't see it. Where? It's a bright orange thing as well, so I mean, it can't be too hard to see, but...
We got moving stuff on cable still.
Yeah, it does go quite high as well, and it's quite a common thing actually to do it once in a while. I mean, you'd have thought like it would be dangerous, because I mean, as you can see, the beach is even. So like, if they did have like a technical issue with it, it could be quite dangerous, but...
Well, I think they fly back if got technical issues.
Yeah, I think they do fly it back. I mean, still pretty awesome.
I think some built-in thing that fly back.
Oh, shame I can't really see it. I would have loved to have got it on camera, but yeah, first time since I've had this camera, it's sort of been reacting to the heat. So yeah, not saying I don't love the camera. I do love it, it's just... Yeah,
This is the kind of bar you want to take on, you could buy a bar.
It's in a good location.
Brilliant location, you can't get any better.
Decent size, and overlooks seafront. Now, the one thing I'm trying to work out is, was this Mel's mobility shop or was that Mel's mobility shop? Either one of these two buildings here, because I mean, when you see that the family come up, they come up from here, and when not mixed working on it, they're overlooking the cable ski, so I'm trying to work it out. Yeah, I think it's this restaurant, ain't it? Because like, looking at scenes with it in, you've got like this sort of barrier, this background, and like the cable ski in the back as well, so yeah.
Where the curve is.
Somewhere.
A little shop back there.
Anyhow, onwards,
My friends.
as Map Master would say, but I'm not Map Master. I'm Benidorm Crazy Marcus. Anyway, anyone wanting to go up the cross, literally right up there, then I'll loop round and loop round again. Yeah, not for the faint of hearted, the crosswalk, is it?
Right.
Alright, if you are not a walking hiking type person.
Yeah, an hour, isn't it?
Yeah, about an hour, 2 hours, maybe.
About an hour back, isn't it?
Well, it depends on how fast you walk and how many bikes you have. Wild Duck 2 there, the Stag and Pheasant just there, and a few more bars and shops on there. Now, this is more like it, the beach, pretty busy, but what's funny is other parts of Benidorm are dead, literally. I mean, the strip, not too busy. Avenida Mediterraneo, not too busy either, but the beach, busy. I'll probably say 1,000 people on there today, maybe. 2,000 maybe even, pushing it out a bit. McDonald's there with a fake homeless bloke out front. I will just say that as well, guys. Be careful over here, because all the cons are back out. You got your pecan, fake cocktail con, and of course a fake homeless. All your boat trips here, parasailing, banana boat, fly fish. Oh, booze cruise, which we're seeing on hashtag Brady's channel. Go on, where are you? Jesus, I forgot I've got mega zoom.
Don't they sink?
No.
The made bananas, they'll sink, surely.
I can't cope with him.
House with that, bananas.
If I get my channel removed, I'm going to murder you.
It's right though, isn't it?
I've completely forgot what... Anyway, yeah, the booze cruise sort of boat, as seen on hashtag's channel, hashtag Brady, when he were in Benidorm, and he didn't even actually book to go on it, just some group of lads recognised him, and he got sort of dragged onto it with his best mate. So yeah, comes to prove the saying that goes on Benidorm, everyone's your friend, pretty much. Like, those who you haven't met are just people you haven't said hello to yet.
Friend you haven't met.
A friend you haven't met yet. But I can't even remember to say. Come on, guys. It's too hot. It's too hot. I'm tired. I've worked hard today. I think I deserve a few mishaps. Yeah, busy down here, guys. Always is. I've completely lost how long I've done. Anyway, guys, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and don't forget, if you want to see brand new fits 24 hours early, go check out the channel. Oh, that's the enter. Let's see if I can get this in. Can you hear someone shouting? That's a fake cocktail content. What I wanted to get today. Thank the Stagman's Lamborghini. Absolute beautiful. Alright, you?
Hey, how you doing, my man? How are you?
That is stunning. That is literally stunning. Yeah, it is gorgeous, mate. gorgeous.
Well worth the wait.
Yeah.
Definitely.
For it,
You
though.
guys are good, yeah?
Yeah, brilliant, mate.
Catch you later on and
Yeah.
sort out.
I'll pop down in the week to see you.
Alright, have a good one.
Catch you later, mate. Oh, listen to that V10 engine. Lamborghini Huracán LP610-4 610 brake horsepower, guys. That is a bloody beauty. And I could possibly be going in it soon. Whoop whoop. That. Oh.
Would you like something to eat?
No, gracias. Anyway, guys, yeah, check out Frank the Stagman's YouTube channel and TikTok. Check out Jade's Facebook as well. Much love to them both. Like, been mates of ours for how many years now?
You moved over, innit?
Since we moved over. I mean, to be fair, Frank and Jade are one of the many people who helped me get to where I am, so I absolutely love them both. Anyway,
That was the pilot that drove the plane.
oh, you are doing my head in. Anyway, smash the like, smash subscribe. See you in the next one.